Learn how to remove annoying icons next to each emails in the list of messages in Outlook inbox. To hide this, on Windows Outlook, click on the View option. Then, click on View Settings. Now, select Mail in the pop-up window and select Layout. Scroll to the sender image and select Don't Show Sender Image. Click on Save to apply the changes, and the image next to the email is removed. On Mac, open the Outlook app. From the top menu, click on View. And don't select Show Sender Image. That's it. Icons next to each email will be removed on Outlook. To remove focused section categories from the Outlook mail inbox, follow the tutorial in the video description. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below.